Good day all! We all know and use WhatsApp daily, but this trusty messaging sidekick has more up its sleeve than meets the eye. Beyond just texting, the clever tips and tricks in this video will turbocharge your WhatsApp journey, ensuring you're in the driver's seat. Watch till the end for a neat hack I discovered. Firstly, we have some speedy shortcuts and a new feature that will help you navigate WhatsApp like a gazelle with a cheetah looking for dinner right behind it. Did you know you can swipe right to reply on a message in a chat thread, instead of long pressing and choosing reply? Even though there's probably less than a second difference in the time it takes to do this made my WhatsApp experience so much easier. I'm sure many of us has experienced the frustration of hunting for emojis in the jungle of WhatsApp's menus for these. So if your hunt is coming up empty, just type the emoji name and it should be displayed in the suggestions below the chat bar. Next, did you know you can send hefty files like a magician pulling a rabbit from a hat? You can sneakily swap files up to 2 GB in size from your computer to a contact phone in WhatsApp Web. You have to select the document attachment type to do this, however, as video and image sizes are limited to 64 MB. And yes, you can select video files even though you have opted to attach a document. Voila! You can even share that movie with your friend in another country that you've wanted to send them without a hitch. But remember to clean up after by deleting the sent file or watch your storage on your mobile device vanish. Second, we are looking at how to uniquely tweak the privacy settings to your liking. Don't want the world snooping around and knowing what you're doing? Tailor your privacy settings. To do this on Android, tap the 3 dots, go to Settings, Account, then Privacy. On iPhone, hit Settings, Accounts and Privacy. You can adjust who sees when you are online last, your profile pic, status and more. Is there a specific person in your contact list who you would prefer does not see information regarding what you're up to? You can exclude only them by selecting the My Contacts Accept option and selecting the person you want to exclude. Just be aware, however, that you cannot dodge online and typing status notifications though. And if you disable read receipts, you will also not be able to see if someone else has read your messages. Third, have you ever wondered which participants in a group has viewed your messages? Open group chat, long press your sent message, hit the 3 dots at the top right and select info for a peek at delivery status and who has read the message. Just note, this works only if read receipts are on at the other end. What if you want to control data guzzling and storage munching? Sherlock your way through these settings to see how much data WhatsApp is sending and receiving. Tap the 3 dots for Android or Settings for iPhone, dive into Storage and Data, then Network Usage for a full report on how much data is being used by calls, media, Google Drive backups and messages. Do you need an idea of which chats have the most files taking up real estate on your device? Head to Settings, Storage and Data and Manage Storage for which chats have media that is taking up the most space. If you want to limit the amount of space WhatsApp files are taking up on your phone, you can put a leash on media auto downloads to prevent storage overload. Under Media Auto Download for mobile data, Wi-Fi and roaming, deselect photos and videos so that WhatsApp does not automatically download these storage hogging files. If you do this, you can still manually click on the file to download it if you want to view it in any given chat. Lastly, did you know you can spice up chats with sticker storytelling and GIF animations that are so on point it's crazy? You can even customize your own stickers on WhatsApp Web through your computer. Open chat, hit stickers, then add. Snag sticker packs you like and make your chats look a whole lot more interesting. If you fancy do it yourself, add a personal touch by creating your own stickers. In WhatsApp Web, click on the plus sign on the left of the main chat space, click on New Sticker, select an image to use and edit away by adding text, emojis and much more. For GIF animations, click on the emoji icon, then at the bottom middle of the screen select GIF. For a specific GIF animation, select the magnifying glass icon at the bottom left and type a word or two that aligns with the type of animation you are looking for. Choose and send. Using these tips will make your WhatsApp experience super smooth and a little more unique. But before we go, the hack I promised you earlier. If you want to put some pizzazz on the way your texts look in WhatsApp messages, go to Google on your phone, search for Fancy Text Generator and click on the first option that pops up. This should be a site called LingoJam. You can type your message in the box made available and it will generate a bunch of funky fonts that you can copy and paste directly into your WhatsApp message. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did. As always, I hope you have an awesome day and I will catch you in the next tech update.